Kenny, what you doing?
Just spelling homework.
What are you doing for spelling homework?
I have to rhyme with duck.
What you got?
Well, I have duck. I have buck. I have buck. I have...
Sweetie, don't ever say that word again. Go to your room.
I have muck.
Sweetie!
What?
Don't ever say that word again.
Muck?
No, the other one.
Buck.
No.
Duck.
No.
Buck?
Yes, that one. Go to your room.
That's not a bad word,
Go to your
according to Billy.
Billy is a bad boy. Go to your room. I'm calling his mother. Hello? Yes, Janet? I heard that your boy says that fucking not a bad word. Yes, he's been saying that word a lot, especially to my darling little daughter. Okay, thank you. Goodbye, have a nice day. Let's teach you a lesson, and Billy.